This is the National Weather Service in Chanhassen with a test tornado warning for Wisconsin as part of Severe Weather Awareness Week. This is a test. Repeating, this is a test. The National Weather Service, in cooperation with Wisconsin Emergency Management, is issuing a test tornado warning for all of Wisconsin. It will be in effect until 6:45 p.m. this evening. This is a test. Take the time now to determine where you would go to a safe place, both at home and if you are away from home. Once again, this has been a test as part of Severe Weather Awareness Week. At 6 p.m. in the Twin Cities, it was